on, guys? It's your boy Purp, working on this Sprinter van conversion into a mobile barbershop. Y'all check out what we got going on. We got the walls pretty much done. I gotta go back and perfect a few things. Now I'm putting the floor down. As y'all can see, it's coming along really well, y'all. So y'all stick with us. I'm gonna build some boxes above those wheel wells right there. Probably make those like some extra seats or something like that. But again, man, y'all stay tuned. It's your boy. It's your boy. We'll be back, all right? Peace. Whoa, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Purp, working on this van conversion. We got some good progress. Let me show you guys what we got. So we got the floor down now. We're coming along, you know, we're coming along really well. Y'all stick with us. We're about to go ahead and get started for the day. As y'all can see, we still gotta get the rest of the ceiling up, trim the rest of the back wall, and then do some other little trim things. So, as you can see right there, y'all stay tuned. Like I said again, it's coming along really well. We'll see you guys here in a little bit. Whoa, hey guys, it's your boy Purp, working on this Sprinter van conversion. Coming around the bend again. We're gonna complete the wheel wells today on both sides. I have these boxes over here that I'm gonna use to cover them and use those as storage spaces. I'm gonna paint them with this semi-gloss black right here. And then we're going to L bracket those to the floor so they're tight and secure. You guys stay tuned and keep watching.
This is Purp Productions.